part 18 for Windows users. So if you're on a Mac or a Linux machine, just use the next video. We're going to SSH into the server using PuTTY. And in order to do this, we need the IP address and our password. So the first thing that we're going to do is use our IP address. We don't need them at the same time. So go ahead and copy the IP address. Now I'm going to flip over to my Windows machine over here. And we're not actually going to use PuTTY itself. We're going to use it from the command line. So if you click on Start and you just type in CMD or just command, you should have the command prompt application pop up. So we're not going to use PuTTY itself. We're going to use the command prompt. So just go ahead and click on this. And the command that we're going to run is PuTTY SSH and then root at, and you can go ahead and paste this in here, the IP address that you just copied. This is that IPv4 address. And when you press enter, you'll get this security alert. And we're just going to accept this, that we can trust that we know this server, and click accept. And so now we have to provide the password. So I'm going to go back over here, go to the password, and just click copy password. It's copied to your clipboard. Now to paste it in here is you just have to right click once. You will not see it, so it's a little hard to know if it happened, but just right click. Then if you press enter, you will have made it into the server. So we're now in the server. So you can see root at Corona. There's our IP address. And let's be a little bit bigger. So that's where we're going to be running our commands from now on. So I'm not going to be in this specific one. I'm going to run most of the commands from my Mac terminal, but everything will be the same because now you're in the server. So now you're running on an Ubuntu server. All the commands will look the same, except when we transfer the files. So that's the only other time we'll go back and use the command prompt in Windows. From here on out, we will just, all the other commands will look the same. All right, so that's how you're going to log in from now on with a Windows machine.